Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and you know what we're doing here today? We're going to do another review for you with the one and only Whitney mesh leggings by Gymshark. Hello. All right, so I was pumped to get these in because, hey, I've never tried her collection of leggings before that they do. So this is I'm a first timer here. What I'm gonna do is gonna link these up below. You can shop them directly from that link. It does help support me and I truly appreciate it. Comment below if you guys want me to review anything else for you guys. We have the gold blue leggings, which honestly, any kind of blue legging I love, especially like a light pretty blue, which these are. I got a size small per usual with Gymshark, and they seem to fit me well, seem to hold true to size to Gymshark's other pants. Now, when I took these out of the package, the first thing I do is feel them. They are very soft, buttery, smooth. They are a nice lightweight feel. They're not a super thick legging, which again, as you guys know, if you watch my reviews, I do like that, especially when I am working out. I don't want to feel trapped inside of my leggings and I don't want them to be super hot. All right, when I put the leggings on, I was like, okay, I'm gonna be able to get these bad boys on, and I was able to. They actually stretch out like quite a bit. They have quite a bit of give to them. So if you're in between sizes, you know, if you get the smaller size down, like I got a size small, it worked out just fine there. I was a little weary, even though the website says they're high-waisted, I was weary because the band on the front is a thinner band, whereas usually we're getting the big old thick, you know, bands at the top. So when I put these on, they do pass my high waist test. They hit right above the belly button, which is nice. They still held me in just fine. It may hit some people a little weird with a thinner band in the front. So that's just something to be aware of if you're like looking for differences between, like, say their Vital legging. Then we got the little platinum gold, the little gold embellishment. I don't know what you call a little tag on the front that says Whitney Simmons. That's cute, you know, makes it a little bit different. The other thing that is different compared to like the Vital seamless legging is they do have a little mesh band that goes around the thigh, all the way around, and kind of goes to the groin area, like the adductors, I'd call it, the inner leg. And you know, I'm gonna say I could probably go without the mesh panel. It is a cute detail, but I found it that I could feel where it was on my inner thigh, and it kind of squished me on my inner thigh. And if you look at the model on the website, you can kind of see the same thing in one of the pictures they took, is that the mesh kind of squishes her leg a little bit. And hey, it's not a big deal. It's just something I thought, you know, I think you could maybe go without it. It does look nice. It does accentuate the curves, which I totally get because Gymshark does do that really nicely. We're gonna move on to the back here. The back is absolutely fabulous, girl. All right, we got a thicker band in the back compared to the front because it's going to actually have two seams where the bottom seam is going to hug around the glute. So they kind of got that V up around the glute. Technically, then you have a little scrunch butt when they're not on, but when I put them on, I couldn't see a scrunch butt, but it made my booty look good, which I appreciated. So that is a very nice feature. I always like to make sure leggings don't make you look like you got a pancake butt. We don't want that. We want to accentuate those glutes, and these leggings definitely do that. Two more things I want to point out is the Gymshark legging is the same color on the back as the legging, so it blends in really nice, okay? And then you got the POW in the front with the Whitney Simmons. And then we're going to have some random seams along the legging as well. One kind of runs under the glute. You have the seam in the groin, like in the inner thigh area, and then one that runs halfway down the leg here and stop. So those are the main differences that I'm noticing with these leggings. Now, I really do like them. Like, I would wear these working out. I would wear these out and about. They make me feel really good. The price point, however, is a little bit higher compared to some of their other leggings, so that's just something to think about. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. I'll link these up below. You can shop directly from that link, which does support me. I appreciate it so much. If you have any questions, comments, put them below. Until next time, we will talk to you later.